Weekly Forex outlook for Sunday, March 30th through Friday, April 4th, 2025. I'm going to be breaking down my five main currency pairs with gold, US 30, NAS, S&P 500, DXY, WTICO USD, and BCO USD. So to start us off, let's start with the DXY. So the DXY from the previous week going into this one, looking left, you do see the previous DXY is on a downtrend, right? Weekly time frame, similar price action. 3 hour, obviously looking like we had an order flow switch from bearish order flow to bullish order flow, but overall looking like we might be continuing to the downside. Next, to look at GJ. So GJ from the previous week going into this one, we had this daily supply area get taken out, so I'm now going to delete that area since it's no longer a respected area of daily supply. I'm going to go ahead and look left and see that prices could be approaching this minor area, this daily sell order block. I'll go ahead and label right here. Right. Overall, looking at on the 3 hour, do you see price is maintaining and respecting this daily demand order block right around here, right? GU, previously going into this one, price is still holding on that daily, daily structure is bullish, right? H3 bullish order flow, still maintaining. We did get a break of that last lower high with the retest and the follow through, but overall price is still respecting that daily demand area right around here. So I'll just be watching that area. EU from the previous week going into this one. Looking at our weekly supply area, we got price respecting, so that daily supply area, we had price minor overshoot that daily supply area twice. Overall coming back down. I do see price coming back to retrace and fill in the gap we made from that big daily push to the upside. Let's see what happens. Odd USD, daily structure is bearish. 3 hour bearish order flow, so just looking for continuation sells for the week. I was back testing earlier, that's why I have these previous areas still open. UJ from the previous week going into this one. UJ just price action just looks weird to me. Daily structure is more clear, but on the weekly, it just looks like price is just all over the place. It does look like we could be going to the downside for this week. Sorry, I was back testing yesterday. Let's take that out. I don't know who that is, I'm not answering it. So we're gonna go ahead, delete this area. Yeah, I backtest like at least 3 times a day, so I don't really care to delete it. I'd rather just delete it when it makes sense to. Daily structure is still bearish. H3 just looks like weird price action. Probably not going to trade the pair, to be honest, this week. Gold has just been going nowhere but up, right? Took out that previous daily area of supply I had labeled last week. I wasn't buys. I caught some beautiful buys. I was trailing stop, so price did hit my trailing stop loss. Still secured a lot of profits. But if I held at my original stop loss, I'd still be in this trade. It's okay, though. I don't mind. WTICO USD and BCO USD still maintaining that weekly demand area I had labeled. S&P 500 still maintaining and respecting that weekly area of demand. NAS and US 30 all doing the same thing from coming off a daily supply area created by itself. Price is still respecting and maintaining. Could be breaking all-time highs, so let's see. But that's all for my weekly breakdown video. I thank you guys for watching my videos and have a good trading week.